Hi friends, welcome to TikTok English. Household chores 50 plus sentences. Cleaning. I sweep the floor daily. I mop the kitchen floor weekly. I vacuum the carpets regularly. I clean the windows monthly. Laundry. I wash clothes every other day. I fold and put away laundry. I iron clothes for special occasions. I dry clean delicate items. I sort clothes before washing. Kitchen chores. I wash dishes after meals. I clean the kitchen counter daily. I take out the trash and recycling. I wipe down appliances regularly. I cook meals for my family. Organization. I organize my closet seasonally. I declutter my living room regularly. I tidy up my workspace daily. I label storage containers. I maintain a to-do list. Yard work. I mow the lawn weekly. I water plants daily. I prune shrubs and trees. Deep cleaning. I deep clean the bathroom monthly. I scrub the shower and bathtub. I clean the refrigerator and oven. I dust and vacuum furniture. I organize my storage area. Daily task. I make my bed every morning. I put away toys and books. I wipe down door handle and light switch. I clean up spills immediately. I take care of my pets. Weekly task. I change bed sheets weekly. I clean bathroom mirrors and sinks. I vacuum or sweep high traffic area. I do laundry and fold clothes. I plan and prepare meals. Seasonal task. I clean out the fridge in the spring. I power wash the deck or patio. I rake leaves in the fall. I shovel snow in the winter. I decorate the house for holiday. More household chores. I dust ceilings, fans and air vents. I clean the microwave and stove. I organize my pantry and kitchen cabinets. I take care of indoor plants. I maintain my home's plumbing. Would you like me to help with everything else? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel.